Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Leadership. Today, I am going to conduct a computer class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 12 MCQ 6 to 10. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 12 MCQ 6 to 10. Dear student, this is our lecture number 10 and example number 8. I repeat, this is our lecture number 10 and example number 8 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, today we will learn 5 MCQs. It is 6 to 10. In our previous class or in our last class, we learned MCQ 1 to 5. Inshallah, with more 2 classes, we will finish our computer syllabus. I repeat, inshallah, with more 2 classes, our syllabus, computer syllabus will be finished. Then we will learn from our oral sheet. So, dear students, let's start our class. At first, MCQ. So, look, MCQ number 6 to 10, number 6 MCQ. This is the first MCQ today. Web browsing can be done in dash. Option A, several OS, B, 2 OS, C, hardware, D, software. Look at the option A, several OS, B, 2 OS, C, hardware, and D number is software. My dear students, web browsing can be done in 2 OS. From our book chapter 5, we have learned that we can do in 2 OS, we can do web browsing in 2 OS. Number 1, we can go directly to a website. Number 2, we can use search engine. So these are the 2 OS which we can use for our web browsing. So look here, web browsing can be done in several OS, 2 OS, hardware and software. So I have already told you the answer. Web browsing can be done in 2 OS. Which one has a unique address? So look here, which one has a unique address? A, web browser, B, URL, C, search engine, and D, net. Some important informations need to share with you. That means I have already told that we can do web browsing for 2 ways. One is we can go directly to a web browsing or website. In this connection, it has a specific or unique web address. It is called URL. And another one is directly to use a search engine, for web browsing. So look here, which one has a unique address? Number A, web browser, number B, URL, number C, search engine, and number D is net. Web browser, yes, I have told you that web browsers represent some programs. There are different types of programs or different types of web browser. In our last class, I told you, for example, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Google Chrome. Okay, these are the example of web browser. Number B is URL. Yes, I have already told you, or today I want to share that URL, the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. In this, okay, we can consider this point, it is Uniform Resource Locator. So which one has a unique address? It is number B, Uniform Resource Locator, it is URL. This URL is the proper answer. It has a unique address. Number 8, internet is a network of how many computers? So look, internet is a network of how many computers? Number A, only few. Number B, 10 millions. Number C, several millions. Number D, only 10. From our book, from our computer book chapter 5, we have learned that internet has several million connections. I repeat, internet has several millions connections. So look here, a network, it is several millions network or connections. Number 9, a huge network of several million computer all over the world is called. So look, a huge network of several million computer all over the world is called. From our book chapter 5, we have learned that machine chapter 12 that means machine, TV, radio, and D is internet. So look here. So we have learned that a huge network of several millions of computers all over the world is called internet. Number 10, computers can send dash to each other. So look, computer can send dash to each other. Number A, data. Number B, time. Number C, program. Number D, software. So look, computer can send dash to each other. It is the correct answer is data. Computers can send data to each other whenever it will have an internet connection. So I repeat. So number 6 number, I will repeat from 6 to 10. 6 number, web browsing can be done in two ways. I have already told that two ways. One is to go to a directly website, another one is using search engine. These are the two ways. Number 7, which one has a unique address? Answer is URL. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Number 8, internet is a network of how many computers? Option answer is several millions computers. So look, internet has or is a network of several millions computers. Number 9, a huge network of several million computers all over the world is called internet. So number 10 is computers can send dash to each other. Computers can send dash, it is data. So we have learned 6 to 10 MCQ. Now dear students, look here. Okay, look, it is written your SW homework number 8. So look here, it is also written lecture number 10 and homework number 8. Chapter 12 MCQ 6 to 10. That means your CW will be followed by your SW. 6 to 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 5 items, these 5 questions of MCQ will be your SW. Finally, look here, it is written my messenger ID Abul Kalam and my phone number also. If you have any query regarding our today's class, please write me in the comment box. I hope all of you have enjoyed this class very much. Dear students, one important thing to share with you, no need to hurry ourselves. Okay, no need to keep ourselves hurry, because only with more 2 classes, we need only 2 more classes, and then with these 2 classes our syllabus will be computer syllabus will be finished. So we will learn little bit slowly, but we will learn correctly. Okay, and do your SW in your SW copy. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.